Yo, what's up mga lods? So, shoutout nga pala sa nag-request ng Just Fall in Love Again na si Maricel Ace. Ito na yung request niya, idol, na Just Fall in Love Again. Sensya na ngayon lang. So, intro muna tayo. Dreaming, I must be dreaming, or am I really lying here with you? Baby, you take me in your arms, and I'm wide awake. I know my dream is coming true. And oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. Never go. I just fall in love again. And when I do, I can't help myself fall in love again. So, yung request nyo, Lods. Sana gusto nyo. So, siya ngayon lang. Yung mga gusto mag-request, comment down below lang mga Lods. Baka nagustuhan nyo na. Grabe, nabubulol ako. So, sige na, shoutout ulit kay kay Maricel Ace. Shoutout sa'yo, ma'am. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Thank you for watching mga Lods.